Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use DSers on Shopify. So you want to go ahead to your Shopify, go ahead on apps right there, and you want to find this DSers drop shipping and of course install it. But I already installed it, so I'm just going to open it up. Open DSers. Now here on DSers, you want to go ahead on find suppliers page right there. And here you can actually find the suppliers for your products which you want to drop ship. Now, when you find the product, so of course you can enter the keywords here to find it faster. Now, when you choose a product you want to drop ship, so for example, let's choose this one. You basically copy the link from AliExpress and go back here to DSers. Then you're gonna go on Supplier Optimizer. You're gonna enter this product listing item link right there, and you're gonna click on search. And now you can find similar products right here and basically optimize your options. As you can see, there's a lot of those. Now, when you choose the product with which photo you want to use, you can actually add it to import list. Go back here on your import list, and now you can actually click this option, push to store, or you can just select it and click push to store right there. And now this is the pricing rules, store selection. Now you do this, then you push to stores, and basically this product is now in your store. Now you can also import the reviews right here by using Looks. So this is what helps with that. Now let's go back here, and as you can see, my products now has 2 items. And yeah, that's basically it. That's how you use it for the start. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.